Welcome back, my friend. In this video, which is specifically for beginners to algebra, we will be doing some multiplication of algebra expression. So the first question is negative 3x minus 1, one bracket, the other bracket, it's negative 6 plus 6. So here we will follow the FOIL rule. So remember, F stands for the first, so it's the first term from the first bracket multiplied by the first term in the second bracket. So negative 3x times negative 6x, which turns out to be 18x squared, because negative 3 would be multiplied by negative 6, and then the x would be multiplied by x. Then the O would be negative 3x multiplied by the outer one, which is 6. So it turns out to negative 18. Inner one's negative 1 times negative 6x plus 6x. Negative 1 times 6, negative 6. Next step would be simplifying. So it turns out to 18x squared. But remember, there are two like terms here. So I just called them, as my previous video, I called them green apples. So negative 18 plus 6, that would be negative 12x. And then the constant, it's negative 6. Okay. Another example would be two binomial brackets multiplied to one another. So 7x plus 4 multiplied by negative x plus 1. Let's start by FOIL. So first term times first term, that would be 7x times negative x, and it turns out to negative 7x squared. The second term would be 7x times 1, which is O, so that turns into 7x. The other one would be 4 times negative x, and the last one would be 4 times 1. The next step, as usual, we have to simplify. Here we have two like terms, so 7x and negative 4x, that these can be added together. So the answer would be negative 7x squared. The two like terms would be added together, and it would be 3x plus 4. Let's move on to the next example. Again, I have two binomial brackets multiplied by one another. I want to follow the FOIL rule and multiply them to one another. So here, F, which is 2x times 7x. Here, the constant or the coefficient will be multiplied to one another, and x will be multiplied by x. So it will turn out to 14x squared. The second one would be 2x times 4, which ends up to 8x. Then negative 8 multiplied by 7x, which is negative 56x. And then negative 8 multiplied by 4, which is the last one, negative 32. Here again, we have two like terms. So it will turn out to 14x squared. I have 8 plus negative 56, which turns out to negative 48x, and then the constant. Let's continue with another example. 5x plus 8 multiplied by negative x plus 4. Let's follow the FOIL. So that's F. 5x times negative x, that would be negative 5x squared. Then 5x times 4, 20x. Inner one, 8 times negative x, negative 8x. And then 8 times 4 is 32. Here again, we have two like terms, so that would end up to negative 5x squared. 20 minus 8 is 12x plus 32. Okay, another example, again two brackets, each one is a binomial. We follow the FOIL rule. The first one, O, So negative 8x times 2x, it will turn into negative 16x squared, okay? The other term would be negative 8x times negative 4. So because both of them are negative, it will change into positive 32x. The other one is negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x, negative 3 times negative 4. Both of them are negative, so it changes into positive. To simplify, we have to find the like terms. These are two like terms. So negative 16x squared plus 20x plus 12. Next step. Okay, the next one, let's start with the FOIL. So f negative 7x times negative 8x, that would be 56x squared. Then the O, negative 7x multiplied by 7, so negative 49x. Then I, 6 terms negative 8x, negative 48x. 6 times 7, 42. And then next step, I have to find the like terms. Here the only two like terms would be the two in the middle. So that would be 56x squared minus 97x plus 42. More example, 4x plus 2 multiplied by negative 5x plus 9. So let's put it here. These two multiplied by one another, then these two, okay, then these two, negative 10x, these two, 18. Now next step would be finding the similar terms. These two terms are like terms. They are the same variables, the same exponents. I just add them together, 26x plus 18. One more example. So let's start with the FOIL. 9 times 3, 27, x times x, x squared. 9x times negative 8, negative 72x. 5 times 3x, 15x. 5 times negative 8, negative 40. Again, I have to find the like terms. These are the two like terms. So that turns out to negative 50x. And it's simplified. The last example for you guys for the sake of this video, then x plus 6 multiplied by 3x plus 2. You can use the FOIL and then you can check yourself if you can get the right answer. And after simplification, you should be able to get this answer. I hope these practice videos, practice questions, help you to get more fluent and feel comfortable with doing math. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.